Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Galveston Island Convention Center in Galveston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A from 2004. I filmed this back in 2014. P2. Schindler with your vandal-resistant MT fixtures. Look at the other car. There's a parking garage. Would it be? Looks like it's not moving. We'll get a cab here, then we'll start the elevator. It's a pretty nice cab. That bulb's burned out. I need to replace that one. These are your fixtures. These fixtures are made out of atoms. There's your emergency phone. These are Adams California Code compliant Schindler MTVR fixtures. Let's go back down to the exhibit. It's not motor. It's not focusing. This one has the internal chimes. Now, as soon as I finish this video, I'm getting out of here. Here we are at P2. Phone. Listen to this. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So there it goes, and that's it.